So guys, welcome to my channel how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website, and you can see this is search button. Okay, and then enter your model number of your motherboard B860MH and then hit enter. Wait few seconds to open page. Then you can see this motherboard just open. And then click to support. Now select operating system which is using Windows 10. Both operating system driver installations process same. Audio driver, and you can see this is size and all. You can just click to download. It will click to download. After that, start downloading. So guys, I already downloaded. You can see 165 size, and just open and double click to exe. And then click to yes. Now this is installing the extract. After that, install. Now this is installing. Then it is done, and close it.